A fully centralized air-conditioned warehouse of around 2,600 square feet. It has a full fall ceiling with light smoke detectors with emergency light. Has a sliding door entrance with 12.8 kilowatt power. Has an approved office. So have a pantry with a washroom. There's a fire exit at the rear side and a garage. The entrance to the garage is from the rear side of the warehouse. It has a very easy access and security is available. Located in Dubai Investment Park. For further information, please contact Redrock Real Estate. Thank you.